Hey everyone, John here. Just going over Bitcoin today. Jumping on the 4-hour chart, you can see we've been printing a series of higher lows. Price is also trading above that 200 moving average on the 4-hour chart. I also like to study possible resistance that may be coming to this chart. So what I do, I study previous moves. Simply from previous moves from pivot lows to pivot highs like this, pivot low to pivot high like this. And I'm anticipating, hey, if I need to get some strength back into this chart, the move's got to be stronger. Or this can be resistance, just like it was resistance over here. We call this a symmetry resistance. Now, I'd like to use a different tool for this. I actually use this tool right here, the trend base fib extension, and I make 3 clicks from this pivot low to this pivot high and back down to this pivot low. So that creates my first symmetry resistance. You need to make some small adjustments to this tool by going into settings, and over here you can see if I only have one selected, basically is 100% of this move, this previous move. So let's try it again. So I'm going to click over here once at this pivot low, going to click again at this pivot high. I'm going to bring down to this pivot low. Okay. Once we have some symmetry resistance, I like to see if some fib retracements can also match up with the work that I just did. As you can see right here, I'm pulling from this pivot high to pivot low. We have a 382 that matches up with that symmetry resistance. And that's what I call a 3-price relationship. What I mean by that, there's 3-price relationship with this area, general area where possible resistance can come through. Anything can happen in the markets. None of this is financial advice. I know a lot of people that are long Bitcoin. Now I'm just taking a quick look at the chart on the daily. Price is trading below that 200 moving average. Price can do a couple of things. It can go sideways like this, right? Or it could go up to this resistance area, fail, and starts going down like this, which is possible. So that's a short opportunity. Now price could also get up above all this mess and starts to create a series of higher highs and higher lows. And that will be a nice entry to go long. It's just got to have a proper plan in place. Trading, you don't necessarily need to know where the market is going. You got to have proper setups in place and trade accordingly with proper position sizing. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe now, hit that notification button, and also be on the lookout for my new course on Introduction to Fibonacci Trading. If you're interested in fib trading, fib extensions, different things, how I look at setups, leave a comment below. Love to hear from you, and I'll talk to you soon.